Hello! Welcome to this special Friday edition of Live and Let Stamps Facebook Live. I wanted just to take a few minutes to unbox this beautiful kit. It's called Birthday Fancy. And Stampin' Up! Has two kinds of kits. They have the monthly subscription program called Paper Pumpkin, and then they have the Kids Collection. This is from the Kids Collection. So this is a kit that you can buy online while it's available. So we get a Stampin' Spot. This is Lost Lagoon. And let's see, let's get into this. There we go. Always handy to have an X-Acto knife. I already love these envelopes with the gold. We're having a rainy afternoon here in Florida. Okay, so let's look inside the package here, what we have. So these are glue dots for adhering some of the pieces. This is an acrylic stamping block to put your stamps on. And this is called Terran tape. And it's a strong adhesive that you see, it's sticky on that side, and you put it down on your, and you can just tear it. It's really easy to tear. You put it down on what back of whatever you want to glue on, and then you peel off the top, and it is sticky. So basically it's double-sided tape, but it is really strong, so it's very nice adhesive to have. Okay, here are the envelopes. Let's see if they're all the same. They are. So they have this beautiful gold foil. You can see the shine on that, hopefully. So that's really pretty. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. You get 12 envelopes. That's awesome. It's a really nice kit. And this is the other adhesive that you get. And these are foam dots. So this is double-sided foam. And using this, put elements on your card. It raises them up a little bit, which gives your card dimension and can be a really nice addition. Okay, so now let's take a look at, we have some card bases. So these come pre-scored for you. So they're very easy to fold. And it is the same gold foil pattern that was on the envelopes. And I think they're all the same. No, they are not all the same. Ooh, that's pretty. So you also get this lovely, oh, this goes with the Lost Lagoon, because that's a Lost Lagoon card base there. Ooh, that was quite the thunder. Awesome. And it looks like we have one more. Oh, beautiful. So I'm thinking this is petal pink. I'll have to check the instructions just to know for sure. These are our other card bases. So you get 4 of each of the card bases. Now here's some of the elements that these just pop right out. So this pretty pink doily. Ooh, macaron. Being the Francophile that I am, I love anything with a good macaron on it. Right here we have cream puffs, basket or a bowl of cherries. Life is a bowl of cherries. And we have, this looks like a lemon pie. Some flowers there. This beautiful cake on the cake stand. Really pretty. And these just come right out very simply. And here are some more. Look at all of these cakes on cake stands. And oh, look at this. This is actually one large piece. Nice. Very pretty. And they all have this gold foiling on them. I think every single one has some kind of gold foiling, right down to the little teacups that have some of the gold foil on there. This is another rather large one that you get. So pretty. These are absolutely beautiful. And we're going to get, are these identical? Yes. So you get another sheet of those. And then we have some beautiful die cut layers with patterns on the edge. This is that petal pink. Look at that pretty like doily pattern on the edge. Really pretty. And we have another sheet of those. And then we have another one. Ooh. So this has this piece with that edge, but then it also has this framed edge as well around the outside. So you have that, and then this fits right around the outside of it. Just gives you another layer. So you could put this flat, and then you could put this with the foam dots and have it sit up a little bit. I'm not sure what the directions are going to say, but that's what I see in my brain. And you get another one of those. And then these look like, they almost look like tags, tag shapes. And this could be for a sentiment, I'm sure. When we get to our stamps, we'll take a look at the stamps. And you get another sheet of those. And then we have this little banner with that gold, the gold irregular circles. Two of those on that sheet. And then we have some colorful ones. Some of the Lost Lagoon and the petal pink. And I'm thinking strawberry slush on this one. It's one of the in colors, which is a beautiful thing because this has an in color in it. This is actually on sale. During the month of August, it's 15% off. So you can pick up this whole kit for under $20. And then we have some white punch outs as well. That might be for sentiments or just to put like behind an element. This one has I love the flag end on those, and then that shape. Okay, so this is our stamp set, and you can see it right here. Sweetest birthday wishes. Let's eat cake. Happiest birthday. Sending you happy birthday wishes for you. Time to celebrate, and wishing you another year as sweet as you. And that's what all of the stamps say. So some really nice birthday sentiments. So looking at the instructions, you can see that some kits make, like, you make 3 different kinds, and there's 3 different ways. So you do 3, 3, 3, and you do all 3 of the one the same, and the next 3 the same. But this one is giving you all of these ideas for different ways you can put these cards together. And you can change it any way you want. So if you want to still be creative, this is a kit that really lets you be creative because you can change things around. And then it just gives you some examples on the inside of things that you can make, where to put the adhesives. So it gives you an example for each card base, the gold, the Lost Lagoon polka dots, and the petal pink stripes. So the colors that are in this kit, it makes 12 cards and you get 12 envelopes, and the colors are Darling Duckling, Fresh Freesia, Lost Lagoon, Petal Pink, Strawberry Slush, and Gold. And because of that Strawberry Slush and the Darling Duckling, which is the yellow, this kit, like I said, is on sale during the month of August in 2025. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and it's just a great little set, and I'm looking forward to making the cards. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.